McBrown's Kitchen, Edjeani Petto. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us so. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
McBrown's Kitchen, Abusiafo Edjeani pa Ede. Me mama kwa basronko. Eba mi show ya magia tumu. Mudi wo dosronko. Ata me chibibia me yemu. Titu McBrown's Kitchen. Medama sedodo nyami shiramu. Medama buafo ase. High sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. High sense showrooms nyina ye bie ye adwuma ye tonye mapa na nuntino wo bana beto ya ade nya botani service o kama. Meda Tasty Tom and Rich tomato mix I say Tasty Tom jollof mix. Ebusun wo dwaso na Tasty Tom de ye dwen hunti no vitamins be bre wo mu a ebua ma your immune system ejina. Vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin D and vitamin E. Ni nyina wo Tasty Tom. Meda awake purified drinking water I say. Awake in super no nie one for life. Make I will say awake dudu bi abeto bia no. Ye yiso kan bom. Na dudu na abeto na be ma say emwa ye cardio center no. Aye kese. Ye yi kan bom de cardio center kolebu ekoboa. Enu nti awake one for life. Me ba cho me da launcher kitchen ase. Me jadi ahun fefefe. E launcher for na aye ama me. Sa na me da delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti ase. Efi anyame sure. That's a bray. I was young nie. Oil, olive oil, the whole world. Stamp ka see free adocotess, a kukudamun, samusi swo, na yakasa way dear a year mouth because no cholesterol. Way a yema come out to me the sasso emane kama. Budges olive oil, Madam Wase. Me bacha yabe yadiane, yabe di bindie, and when ye ne dead in spices, papa, woke a can yin aboma or the big gumu, and no to make come from Maggie the dead, shrimps, and a dry fish, and a garlic womo, Maggie the dead, yenny Maggie that I'm a That's right. But the dead idea educham. Maggie me damwase. Sana me damemu ediachro. Emuninye Royal Aroma Rice. Royal Aroma Rice. And nobody wants open an ama munibi. And then Miss Chanson masisem. Also color way different. If you Royal Kitchen wear official Ghana for omna mam Chanson mam the year Edjeani. Me therefore wa wo hwe me minim se mbegyina na watade ye fe e fatao me da chic collection ase chic nyame hirawo wo follow me Instagram ba bia me nya fabric na de nyina da wo be hu sa na me da beauty bow ase spa and salon omuna ye me ti ye ma me wig ye bibia beauty bow ko Instagram wo be hu no Aligina de obia nim se Empress makeup artist ba kope Aligina on SE10 enu ntino me twa me ho aba me ba pe ena me the show my name is Sister Penny and Empress and Senior Empress. McBrown's Kitchen, Edjeani pa Ede. Bebasia.
In 1967, High Sense and the Sukra Yoboshem said, Yadia, ya be your home appliances, a ye papa, none bo edda from Ama Ankra, I will reassure for Nangina. High Sense, Yadia, the Wagway, I want to say, Yan your ma yet, a buanipa, a walk on your seniors, and the Nama Mimusawe. A dear Ben Sana we here. Refrigerator, air conditioner, television, gas cooker, electric cooker, iron, rice cooker, washing machine, steamer, kettle, mobile phone, sound system, and now blender, a monogra. To an amon High Sense showroom BM. Najidi say, Ubenya dear name water from Pato. A fancy a GM would you say any of my papa? High Sense a penny of Jumekua, a minimum 5 years warranty. Ye initial one when you did that, and to yen see one from. Now, that dear will honor to me by some swat. You should see you come. And your man, your papa, and your ma, if you and your ma, and saying in a more day. And on the High Sense, yeah, High Sense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
2351 251.
My husband deserves the best jollof.
Yay!
And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Darling, plain or check it?
Checkered.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I had invited the boss for lunch. Okay, then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie Nat to help out, but she gets hopelessly stuck somewhere.
There's traffic in front of me.
What? So I call hubby, and he says,
What?
What are we going to do?
Relax, we've got this.
No, we don't. Now it's up to me and him to save the day. Are you okay? With help from something special, the new Dedede seasoning from Maggi. Specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients. To give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
You need to tell me how you got that Dedede taste.
And then later she says,
Come see me Monday morning. Let's talk about the new branch we're opening.
Just then Auntie Na shows up. And just when I thought the drama was over,
My daughter, let's go into business.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
McBrown's Kitchen abusiafo aduane pa Edjeani. Yeba no aduane. Pa DJ, let's go. Edina ha na matinti wa uhunu a. Wunim no. My sister Akofa Edjeani. Meaning say ma won ye dia. Yeah. That's right. Let's go. I like that. Wow. Hey, never say die until the bones. I'm 360.
Yo momega.
Wow, Edino. I think some names are I'm correcting the Akofa Edjeani. Na sister, penyini akwaba.
Yenua.
Hane. I said the need the senono. Yen fama no. Penfo yi ne bo kwan to a na yen press. Yen nyina mo yenya bi kan ntino. Ye na waba wo benu aduane. Ani, machosa. Abusia ye ba be ye aduane. Munim dada. Ye be oro insa. Definitely. You abusia for me mo akwa baba hand washing segment. Proudly brought to you by Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix. Nene Tasty Tom kaya wo boy ene say yenko so na yen share face mask. Wunti mi kwa ne mo eden kra no. Shall shield yi. Ye benya kra na ke akata ye ne mu nyina na ye aduane bad. Ha she ne ne ma binti ne approach ye de nyoma bi so tutu akwan mu. Ane ye nyina yen kan wo ye moa na yen te COVID-19 yade ya etiate say so binti no ye wo yensa abra ye ba be ye aduane said the munim dada no de bia boss had the rule say ye hwe and some more ye gusto ye hro de by say ye no more anti Tasty Tom ye da mo ase Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato be said the make no vitamins ahudo bebre wom T2 vitamin A vitamin D vitamin K and vitamin E ai enunti no Tasty Tom nyame hwa mame mawie ai ye be ye aduane said the munim no adofo a what TV so anyomtofo sinifo news I mean anything you do so ni penny bia no o qualify say so beba no be yin keche wojade ha wow Akofa Edjeani I didn't move on. Okay. Akof.
Yes, dear.
Me pacho when you bed and when you bear me. I was for McBrown's kitchen.
Akof. Congratulate you. You're doing such a good job. My panel, you know. You're doing so great. You know. Well, baby, I will do the same. I'm so proud of you. So proud. And yet, COVID and come hug.
Aye, that's that can you anymore. Mama walk on to I did you cry. And now about me show you so many aji. Me patch then I baby. No say ingredients not tiapo.
Something simple, so COVID. See, can't share any hosa.
The bee.
And you know, I was say, oh, Josie. The bee. And you say, now we to talk to Adriani. I was and Pala will fear any idea. And there's something very simple, Gary. Gary photo. Yes. So your gravy. Gary will fear. If you have why a moon stew, my gravy need be cracker. And now, so Gary will hold. Yeah, the chan. One said, why can't why a Gary photo? Now, be. Because you are watch all the account. Yeah, chicken, now the chicken, 1 piece, be a wakanishi. Would you be simple? Oh, there be a vegetable cacre, be a kahona, a balancing on nature.
It's in all no, your baby and a bay.
And see a Gary photo with baked fish. Yeah, the fish in the best show vim. When you have now to make it to a cold pot.
And you share ingredients.
Okay.
Annie.
And see,
first of all,
for the Gary, no, your Gary.
Yes.
Then a pinch of salt. Yeah, simple gravy, your tomatoes, pepper, onions, ginger, garlic, and Maggi, of course.
And then Maggi, egg, and spices. This one,
well, yeah, me natural spices. No, you know.
Maggi, so natural spices. And shrimp, dry fish, garlic.
Okay, and see it's natural. And see where Mimi cream, you can't pepper.
Pepper.
Okay, you can't pepper. And gloves. And where you anise and kitchen.
And Susan.
And oh, okay.
It's way
anise. Yes. Me chrome, and I make sure me chrome casanibi. Okay. Me chrome way a friend a Halliway. And I way, as I say, pepper. You can't pepper, sir. Jenny, you can't saprade.
Who chrome net or free? Me
fee Advocacy me vanny. It's in part of main fair opportunity, Minchia, Paramount Chief of Advocacy. 30 minutes from who?
Black minutes
would do who? It's just 30 minutes from who? Ofa, Ula, Quiness, or Poponis was here, or Poponis. Now they call.
And a chairman,
I'm Paramount Chief, His Royal Highness, Togby Adjatipo the 7th, and they Advocacy Funina.
Yet, chairman, I feel I'm fine. Yes, that's the same.
Okay, and then your best I say, men started fish, no, mean season. Mrs. Yeah, started for you. And now, come, send your baby me the ashin. See for any baby and no, I'm not sure you now for any beer near the mix again. Very simple. Yeah, and see, let me pick a silver fish. Let's see. Who bet me a grilling or yes, if you want, depending on baking sheets, I will, but maybe I now models. Ain't no me to trim. Senya. So be a baby.
Yes. Wow, wait a say, Mammy.
So bet me I start say I blend the ginger and garlic na mammy academic.
You, Mammy baby. Mammy the obey any. Why and 4? But I 3 never didn't you know. It's me crash, tell where you are.
Mammy Bull.
Boy, they will fish. Yes.
Okay, very well.
Mama Boo.
That's.
Here we are.
Let's see now.
Okay, Mama, where are you? Fish near our when we next step.
And you know me, the chicha, ginger and garlic now blended. So now make me a season.
Okay. Akofa, but wadaroma. When you anyway, who chrome war and unkind.
Ya wo me kumase. Me from ada Kumasi. And see if you want your bank, say me 74 and your bank. So I've been in Accra since. My papa is so genuine. I'm one crying here.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Yeah, one crying.
Never ever blending in Annie. And think I now call school your baby international school and
me. I could international school. A job at the same.
Oh, they don't look like a jabba.
Yes, I know Moka.
You look like
a jabba with hard labor. Me call Gonda Primary School. Gonda Barracks.
Oh, okay. Me call
me feel on a me too.
Ever blending, I like the blending.
Mammy,
okay.
Me see when I'm to us so Flagstaff House Primary. Okay. So class 4, class 5, class 6, and form 1. I'm try common entrance form 1.
Where be Kobe? Okay.
Usually, yeah, me penny separate. But yes, my main fan frat.
Wow. And I call second anyway.
Me call form 1. I was Dorma in Crow Secondary School.
Ah,
Dormas.
I want to choose here.
They be main choose.
And I sat an interview.
Main choose ho na my sister. My sister no is so jenny. And since that time no now you posting a call. No or your adjutant or you so jenny. And no your adjutant or that time no that time no say na mobile phones ni ho. Ni ade ni ho. And no name much. Say bibi ni antina me papa say ni aye close together as family no.
No so ben.
And na me papa so any obi enko.
Yeah, you na kan wana.
Yenye we ya. I'm fancy kakra. Entino. Me na me sister ba ko a. When ya ni baby ko you know ye kind of so jemu no so na me di ni chi. Enti ye me nu ko ne ho. Sani ebe ya bibi ni aba ko betimi aba nkran. Ana say bibi science me. That's.
Ki me hwi o.
Enhwe.
Okay, ti ade anchine so agu ye nam ne ho.
Mommy spoon. Yeah, ho kitchen.
Spoon for
Thank you very much.
Yes.
And as I was saying, after first year, and you transfer my sister.
Yeah.
A few. And see, and then my show. Yeah, bye. Nah.
And I be can't.
And I me call Marley Secondary School. From Form 2 to Form 5 there, me call Marley School.
Oh. Marakuku abusiafo amosha maybe a dream. Yeah, the spices I blended no. Garlic and ginger no. Every fish next day.
Mami as far as
Ani enchini ye me wasanka.
Okay. Person me tree pepper no. What's some kind of pepper?
Pepper.
Okay, me can pepper. Kemek osie chese mami asanka. MiPROMO kasa na ene metro MiPROMO.
Ani na posie na mbere.
Posie. The kids we be I like natural spice.
Mare kuku posie.
One man posie wo wale hwe. Just say thank you.
Oh, okay.
Wale hwe.
Mare kuku anya adani na nya nguna kasa.
Debi. Ya poto ye baby if you know ya poto once am egwan. Me egwan. Me egwan. Once nothing but a phone na ya egwan for.
Wow.
Ya ne so pa but yan kakasa ba kunti no. Ama
Inti Akof.
Yes.
Na de din ne obaji bebe. Akof.
Mama fe me papa sana papa frame Akof.
Akof. Ni ayan die. What our dey hamo.
Ya mi yisi.
Inti wusu ko Legon from Mauli.
Me fi Mauli na me ye 6 form e wa Aquinas.
Aquinas.
Me person called Legon called performing arts.
Performing arts. Yeah, ben no.
89.
Trasana ye share intimate chop seni.
89 me fi Legon 91.
Sir? Who you Legon 91?
Me be Legon 91.
Debut 91. 1991.
Actually.
2001 and 1991.
1991.
And the years, no, I confuse one. Legon 1991. Wow.
See my trick it's way,
The secondary school 1991 at Legon. Performing art no.
Me for 89.
Oko 89
and we 3 years.
Okay.
Inti we ne so my young medical crazy. Egusto. I take him. Yanya say.
O se mi timi yes say na bush.
That say ka so dey afraid that ahwe.
Wow. Legonista.
Eyadum.
Pacha yadru.
Manisa carded
pepper. Na say fish na be ko oven nim no. Eno na busua. All the spices alcohol no.
Mani blend and me blend it make it sweeping fan free. Ya kwa kushito na mani ye hwam kakra.
Okay. It ya blend it kwa kakra bi ho.
Kakra. Okay, me ani bebre na me di bia ye froye na.
Okay. Any ya blend ya bom preko. Wow. I was trying to blend it, you make it near the kakra. Say the sister kind of fish no.
That's Minshi. Yes. Okay. And see, I know some of the kakra.
About fish.
Coffee. Powder pepper and so crazy.
And I was the mekona blending a bunny side meko sam no be say come.
Optional. Maybe pemeko pint.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And if fish had dear me or seven cojum. And yeah, be cabo memo ovimbo.
Pacho and they carry kakra.
Yeah, the day.
When they carry so
carry powder kakra. Mommy, yeah, fish na.
One makes it.
Wow. Inti Legonista. From Legono. What that ma I then I because that time there many shows na movies gidi say. And I want to saw the movies because asafo ni bia na.
Me city me kwala brem nyina me sa osuma me koto me ko bra kra na me sa do wa kwan sha
Maggie de Afena de
afena
echo na magic ai enti busua ya wie say the spices no afire your fish no enti no ye be hwehwe na afeye na hye oven mu amen welcome home
afia ya fine
the ball is in front of you. Kick it.
Mommy, all your kids we be na fasanya nam no enter na enshi.
All your kids we. Oh, mommy more brush.
Okay.
Auntie, all your kakra.
Yeah, fish na say enter we na suggest.
Oh, okay. First movie in a year, baby. First ever movie.
From 87. After 4-5, maybe from 586. Until from 87. And yeah, started TV theater.
Oh, okay. 87.
Yeah. Until now, me back TV so the day before I me call Legon, yes. Na me no from when na me say dwuma we ya na mpese me. Nti me call ya me share that we see our subjects ne senior ma me say ebeboa me. Because wo me mu de da me ma me kwa sorry ya me ne ko kantata ne ade women's fellowship from tonwom na me di ekire yesa na me
say ko kantata
women's fellowship na mo di agro sa drama ne o ma no wanti no na enya kantata na woni mo TV
what's our confusion
sasa ne friend kantata we hear music ne o ma ase
music and drama
play ne ne ade ne friend kantata those yes one no munya kantata ni fie you know like drama
ya kan ending
nya kano ye the besti na me shame no
okay besti abede what do you mean by besti what confusion is that
on say mo besti ne say wo mu no Wow. Na yɛbɛhwɛ we gu small bowl no. Nti ɛwɔ na sauce na aka no. Na wo de afa ho sɛnea o spice no.
Ɛbɛkɔ na
mehu akɔ. It's
Ebusua fish no bɛkɔ oven no.
Si hanti ehye
Yeah.
Mama ma no onion kakra na mama no sa taste kakra.
Ebusuafo, ya fish no, ya siesie no, ya spice no kama. Afei na ebeko oven ni mu. Ye di kan so oven no, ama mu no adodo kakra. Nti I need to protect my hand. Emu ado mu ohye kakra nti no. It depende o wa mrede ya na wa regulate wo oven no wo fie. Mese miem kakra ka ho. Ai memiem. All right, my man double. Strong form. That's right. And oven no, ya set the fish no ashim. Afa ye beto aso.
Say na ye be start froyen.
Froyen no. Alepati yen kwa. Yes, I tell you.
Okay, me here frying pan and saucepan and me.
Okay. Akof. Me do chance in this. So me
so mami.
Ma so.
Ye potogun hwe gun sesia.
Ai. E wo say yes stew na e dey ba be dey gari no. E no ne e ba be photo. Na se ye ka fra na da ne gari photo.
No.
Ai. Ye dey chance in so asija soja. So starting I mean every for back first start. Budget olive oil no. Okay, it's here to here be what?
Okay. Let's see wooden spoon and I say ladder.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. All right.
So Nikom. Ejano. Me man haya na. Eh.
Enti me ginger ne.
Pacho de ne komi.
We ginger and garlic.
Okay. Ginger and garlic ne blend it.
Ginger and garlic ne blend.
And then curry powder. But I'm more here on the say. Adriana no would be with you. Unim. Anne. But obia wa kwa faso at the end. Gary photo na yes, Gary photo. She method no. And the man here different.
Okay.
They say ginger, garlic, and a curry powder, and a decan with just feed. Just said, anyway, they enter cry. Yenche. Nene, my dear, we are made off with the achama that mean you see. Where is to taste it, Tom, dear? The baby amount. Tin opener.
Okay. And you make one about
me make it one. Taste it, Tom. So the show say, I said, as was a show more. To the other show say, Penez, a someone.
Oh, great. Now you know. That's
it's made of. That's it.
That's nice. Very nice.
I'm a came and sack and why. That's it, baby. I'm a king.
I'm not a bro.
Debbie, the dog will be landing or the mamma came and say, oh, I have almost some the memory. In Tanta Coffee.
Yeah.
For 30-something years, no, what TV so?
33 in Equi, yeah.
33 years.
30.
And still standing.
32 and 33.
And still standing.
And I don't know.
Kicking. Beautiful.
I don't.
Healthy.
I mean, family couldn't end.
Wow. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Here come. Yes, two non here. Curry powder and ginger garlic. Now, I say, Mekono. Meko cry nyamayo. Oh, okay. Accepted. Hey, you found some. Jim, Pacho.
In the crowd. Oh, okay, great.
23 and still counting.
Because I started acting very early. I started acting at 18, I think.
18.
They make no. Hey,
I'm okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, I'm okay. Don't worry.
Mommy said be
Midimeko.
Okay.
Midimeko.
Oh yeah.
Midimeko.
Send your open.
I eat pepper. Too much pepper. Or less pepper. Nina, they don't tell me to me. Yeah, it's your bedroom. Oh, okay. It is your goom. Akofa,
yes.
For all these years, when I do try, I will see near the guy.
Film me, yeah. I'm so harvest. Was it harvest at 17?
Harvest at 17.
No, I'm not saying my time. Harvest at 17. When me the pepper anyway, no. Me the goom.
Pepper no. Aye. And suicide, right? Aye. You bibia. Dear man on chine.
Anyway, imagine you have to be careful.
Yes.
For the two we enough here more salt.
Now they are two. You are right. Into no you still suggest we. Na fish sushi oven. Na say yede.
Say no. Yeah, the vegetable kakra. The best me vegetable every I can wait.
Oh, okay. On the side.
Yeah, just on the side. See. Just green beans. Carrots. Maybe. And probably cucumber kakra.
Nah, spring onions anyway.
Spring onion no. Make sure I go carry for two.
Oh, okay. Maybe that's a wine na do trust ni. That time.
Yeah, play be. A Raisin in the Sun, a stage play, National Art Center. And see the late Wallace Bampo.
Okay.
Ebe share, Wallace Bashare, no mammy rule, mata.
Mata, me kai papa.
Na after that, yeah, miss after that, harvest at 17.
Some will make you meet wow.
Because I was also on TV, the done, so it just made it easier.
For you to be known more. Wow. Because what time edina mo time no. We met na bi ni wa mo.
Met us in.
Say we be some so na movies no time away on one mo meet me.
Many reversing no money ade.
Brew
reversing.
Wow.
We don't no.
The man
no. Okay, I'm now no you did that. She was also doing TV theater and sana me make to omo any anti abia dachi mama Grace Naughty so they were already in there
because that time I say one year the name pebble what I have one young stars
but I no wait it didn't mean anything of course Now I'm TV theater and son I'm bedroom. So what happened was 85 me call Moscow. From school, I was in school. So me call represent Youth of Volta region.
Okay.
I was 12 World Youth Festival.
Okay.
And see Mishia the latest graduate book, God rest his soul. And see any nan ye call ye the redundant money ade. And ye call ye. And see no, na me catch any so me was school ni na no. It's my dream say maybe TV. So I used to say me mates be a one. I always said me was school say
but TV.
Yeah, school I'll be on TV. I didn't even know how I was going to do it but I just kept saying it and believed it. And you know, it just I'm not sure. Yeah, babaka. Me be who no be introduce me ama directors ni bi. GBC. So that's what happened. So that's how I started TV theater. So.
Waitress, who restaurant tampa. Wow. Well, when you're smart, not that you can dear say, one young one saying, can you be? Yeah, it's smelly good, oh. Your vegetables so nice to try.
Lower, become home.
Me lower.
Not shit.
Lower.
Front cube number.
But you Malone. Okay. Yeah, the back account.
I was say yeah, the account na etimema.
Etimema. Na dem more. Na busia guy photo na ni gusu a. Yeah no. You try na mawie a. Yes, you so ya be I believe say be ko guy na ko so ye. Enyandru ho.
Nkosua no me use mu. So pa ya. Say bia na make say bia woni fish. Wait me achi nkosua na odi.
Oh, okay.
Simple ya.
Okay, and na nkosua no so ho.
And na dey me use.
Of course. Ya be no ho kakra ho.
Yes, steam kakra na. Say udidi bia was so balance e.
O balance with diet. No remember.
Ai me kokko no.
Kokko no ni. O kokko no ni.
Yeah, clearly ba ku bi.
Enti Mrs. Akofa. Momo start to see in net saying.
It was a lot of sacrificial work because that time no na yenye person industry no. Yet me a grow industry. Na yehwe na nyoma eyeyi. Enti no na eden na sika bi enim. Enso na
enso mo ye.
Odona na e woman need the zeal ne passion no. See a sacrifice say ekun ye ho.
Eye adwuma no.
Ede adwuma no.
Wow, ebusiafo ye twitwa ye kokko awie na kele ole shape. Ai, enu ti no
nchene kitso bi.
Nchembe ko ho.
We nye like that means fa ginger na ka yin fafa ho. Ye chene te se senia.
Ye che kokko.
Ye che kokko.
Ti ebusiafo ye hwe ye fish no. Oh, okay.
Chembe ni mama.
Okay.
I mean, and this too.
One say me kono ni we na ye blend ye no. Ye side be fa ho.
It's me akona season no
akukom ye ane. Fish no mo say be papa kakra be dandan ho. Na wa sa kanarem ni nyina mu na wo hwe wo. Wo hwe temperature de no aduane no. O de ye no ha. Abeto ne bonanya kwan de abne ye.
Say no. Virgin. Ayoke me nyabo ni me hwie gum.
Okay.
And also soggy like and also you too soft.
Any can say too soft. E we hwie ni nsuo ni nyina na ye nso ni nsuo no.
Nsuo na ye kitwe bi.
Enti ye de funny
ye kitwe.
Wow. Hey, restaurant madam no.
And do not the fried guy we na e be carbo. So say na wa ye benku no. Nti o say for any
chokra.
Nti we dum no.
Medum no ye benya mre ama no.
Okay.
Nti abusafo ye che ye kokko. Kokko na fe na edru so a e be ko anwani mu. Nti stew ni nie. Ye me gidi se sabe de ajo. Ai. Me yi.
Okay.
Amam.
Thank you. See, we have some family. Nice. Okay. So, then chinik swebi.
The chinik cry.
Not too much.
Me mouse. So, according to your family size and your stew quantity.
That's right.
Oko dada. Wow. Nti so bi pese obedidi wo ho direction na ye hemfa.
Ewo Kanda taxi rank wa opposite club sen. Ohona
Kanda taxi rank onya bisa so Akofa restaurant
na taxi rank no wo the restaurant e cheap
so we delivery.
Yeah, delivery nti.
And if a number to join what you need
ewo 0244573002
0244573002.
Fallis restaurant. Fallis. Delivery amount. Bet me abe take away.
Anyway, Gary photo na negusu ayeye ntino. Still, odi nsuo no begugum kakran say they cough ayeye. Now I make sure say mre ago no ho kakra.
Say big gum.
Nsangum.
Yes. Okay.
The idea of McBrown's kitchen pan say ye bebo nuane pan wo dawu. They be coffee nyina ma na be bia say watch your TV so we and esa wo YouTube because e pesa yensan na ho sa na tie e de ma ye ma ene ye nuam even enempo enkrofo dodo na ma me feel proud o mu ko ho ko hwe aduane no ma ye bi ofie and they will send you message and it makes me happy. Come into a real guy photo. So better see her.
My father.
There is me. Are you my baby?
5 3. Fancha me right. I send me from kitchen.
Oh, yeah. This is any need.
Pacho. McBrown's sasa na ya me mami ye.
McBrown's kitchen here. Edjeani pa Ede. Me to me kono. Wow, it's nice. Mama, me commercial break aba. Okay. Edi asada ka say ma aboafo. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom, Madam Wase. Awake purified drinking water, Nyami Shram. Launcher kitchen, Nyami Shram. Oh, royal aroma rice, Nyami Shram. Sana meda delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti, Madam Wase. Meda royal kitchen with official Ghana se for menchensi. And a Borges olive oil. Me to Mami Revi Maggie the dead. Ebusia, me try me ho basisia, me bape. Edition time! Salango! Brim!
If it's in 1967, high sense and that's a cry bushim say. Dear, ya be your home appliances, a ye papa, none bo edda from ama ankra, I will reassure for Nana. High sense, dear, the walk why I want to say. Yan your ma yet, a buanipa, a walk on your singing house, and the number mimus away. A dear Ben Sana we here. Refrigerator, air conditioner, television, gas cooker, electric cooker, iron, rice cooker, washing machine, steamer, kettle, mobile phone, sound system, and now blender, a monogra. To an amon high sense showroom BM. Najidi say, Ubenya dear name water from Pato. A fancy and GM would you say in your Maya papentin. High sense a penny to Mekua, a minimum 5 years warranty. Yenny so one when you did that, and to see one from. Now that dear will honor to the bass and swat, your kisses will come, and your mayor papa, and your ma efe. If you your ma and saying in a mahmoudin, and on the high sense, high sense, everyday prices.
2351 251.
My husband deserves the best jollof. Yay! And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Darling, plain or checkered?
Checkered.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I had invited the boss for lunch.
Okay.
Then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie Na to help her, but she gets stuck somewhere. So I call hubby. Now it's up to me and him to save the day with help from something special. The new Dedede seasoning from Maggi. Specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients to give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
Dedede. Come see me Monday morning.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Borges extra virgin olive oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges classic olive oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your grills. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges olive oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Wait. I'm supposed to say action first. I said wait.
Let's go again. Spaghetti. Delay.
No, cat. That's not it. Won't you talk?
Delay spaghetti is...
Cat. Do you think we are here to joke? You have eaten all the spaghetti. You have delayed the shoot. Eat taste the food and say the slogan. And action.
Delay spaghetti. Meda sipebre.
Boss, I beg. I'll be there 9.
Ah, you've got to be kidding me.
Sorry.
FDA ahwehwe saa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atomu se eye.
McBrown's kitchen ebusiafo Edjeani pa ede me mama akwaba edition time no nie just so fie ma me se sela ngo na se duane no what is the eda kasa but aboafo say high sense everyday prices for everyday people. Sana Tasty Tom the only tomato mix with vitamins and fiber. Tasty Tom jollof mix, Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. Me da awake purified drinking water I say awake one for life. Sana me da lunch kitchen I say so person jade ye kamade eno ane launcher me da Royal Kitchenware official Ghana say aw ma me chense papa ma me de ye aduan enti frɛ wo mu was 0208138885 Royal Kitchen official Ghana me da say me da Borges olive oil say Borges me da mo say me da Royal aroma rice say ai ene mo e wodwa so mo bebre na all but who di Royal aroma pe won say otimu kan awon a wo pe no ubenya Royal me da mo say the lay mackerel the lay sardine the lay spaghetti nyame shram ya da se bebre abusu amagi de wontumi nye aduane abra magi nkan ho se de ne magi asa se fritete no saa no so ne ye akwa weye enti magi nyame hwramo ye damo ase na niema esisi hai sade amamra ne te o McBrown's kitchen so no say ya na ye no obi oba bia qualify say coffee you feel good and unti Akof pacho be me kakra Akof chaniema from down to top ni nyina ye odia ba me bobo so a kasa preko na wasie no awake purified drinking water me pacho emu papa ene ye die nie Royal aroma rice sana me mau Chensing papa from Royal Kitchenware official Ghana Suni and a high sense Emma rice cooker me pacho P Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix and the Tasty Tom yadamo say Borges olive oil Woody to an bonena would dibinya and one day. Me da magida de see and sana delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti. Mammy, Nina, your dear.
That's it. No sponsors, Nina.
Yeah, quite did you ever do with Diane? I, mammy, fish, no?
Yeah.
Emra. Na DJ Mamenyum. Na me find McBrown's kitchen fun and then in bed dino. Mamenyum kan ho. Wow. Hey. Me aga kata. Tintinta. Sabana nesisa. Yesama ya karanta. DJ Menase na sister. DJ yeah. Mommy, I don't dance how I saw them. One dance how I saw one day. I was there for McBrown's kitchen here. Fakonya no bra na fe. Ye me bon pie ni ndi aduane. Me ba che fro say.
Pa che fro me Frida.
Frida. Obanwa. Ma de. I have McBrown's kitchen.
Pa che.
What qualify wa ba hate. Ebusia McBrown's kitchen ye. Ye be didi. But ansa na ye be bon pie. Wana be bo. Me mo ma de o mo che. Mo be che de mo ma me mo ma de. Odo fo mo bro for the omanye ni hira so na tem ma adu nti amen. Wow, ebusiafo Gary photo by Akofa Edjeani.
Just straight from Funny's hotpots.
Straight. Okofa say I never serve. Come on. Baby, I read your helmet. And yet, you know what you come after. And no, not too happy. Yeah, but did you ever yes, I'm going to be on. Wow. Frida, I'm now 3.
Well, then,
I don't know. Oh, boy, I'm now 3.
That's a better than Ticano Credit.
Frida, now what's your Auntie Akofa? Me are just a woman with TV, so I say ye. We are no sir. No, Jerry.
Abontin.
Na jaya wanjo. Come here.
Mini sao.
Sao. Oh, what is 33 years old?
And Bassa Misha Sienta. Penchasa Mini.
What is 33? Wabuang. Frida. And I have McBrown's kitchens. Aya denya. Akofa Edjeani de unim no. Unim no ho. I had things watching.
Recently coming on Facebook.
But I had it. Who's asked this? I know I did also be son of some. And then I'll also be some.
Patron, the same business say. Last me who know Facebook na or pretty restaurant. Until like and then I inspire now from acting no. Or quite a restaurant. Okay. Restaurant, I started yachi. There 20 years. Now, what happened at the time? No, I said 20 years ago. No, now, Sika, Nana Mama, Gra, and your fee acting, and you've been a near 2 years at time. No,
I don't remember.
It's no. Now, all rely say, train acting, pen with the dear, and can ye? It's not send me a baby at the counter. See, I know the man, Mr. T. Edjeani. So now, Edjeani, yes, dear, Miss F. in my kitchen. And I make all school to me, sat on home science, no, I'm friendly. Say, Cram friendly, their home economics, so said, home science. It's a no catering course. It's a no, and then your mission fee. My kitchen, you know, and I ever made a chance here to support myself and the family.
Frida, the baby said, "You me come kasa bio." You to do Edjeani. Nothing. Didn't you? Wow, Akofa.
Yeah.
Where the one I can maybe sound. Also, time I was at na sika ya movie Edjeani no. Na wo nyesa ya nyipio. My first movie. 2001. Dem di kokoro no, we bi no. The time ka 80 CDs, part 1 and part 2, 80 CDs. Na me say costume. Me kra na me complain. Ene some dey mo brain. So me ka 80 CDs me complain na mo dey.
Ni e brepa, ba ku bi kra na ni etwa wo. Kuma se na wo so na wo ye costume. Wo ne wan kra.
Me akabra, me
You know, all those days, cry. If you cry, we cry. I'm going to defect and see it here. That's what Ghana did, but things are getting better. It will get better. I mean,
that's the whole time.
It was nothing to write home about, really.
It was really not. Remember the
that's which I say beginning no cry na my parents and person me because it's like that now rehearsals now now and there was nothing they couldn't see why I was so bent on being in this profession. You know, but acting is one of the noblest professions that you can be in. For me, you know, it's a calling. It's a calling. Then you'll be preach, you know, it's a calling for me. And see, there's nothing I can do about it. I'll send me and a gift our dear mommy. So that's why it comes easy and I'm good at it, you know. It's a calling. There are a lot of things. There are a lot of things I need to do with my acting. You know, the messages I need to get across. I go into production sometimes. No, the kind of stories that I want to bring out. No, man, you know, and I believe say acting. No. So see the year for nation building. They once say colonial masters no. I'm the film ne colonizing. And see say you see that same medium to decolonize ourselves because still our mental slavery, you know. And see new man me person me de acting no message. I won't say ministry interest say your ministry can be in different things. So
what is new right now with saying this?
Well, as a president of Women in Film and Television, me per se,
no, some of them are not aware. And see, say, we see me and say, we are a filmmaker.
Women in
film and television. West Ghana. Yes, because most professionals, it's not for actors, it's for the filmmakers. Maybe we are director, we are producer, we are writer. You create content, so we are DOP, we are editor, those who actually make the film. No? But who say you do a lot of stuff, so you qualify to be part of it. Wow. Your next meeting say MiPROMO.
Oh, welcome.
MiPROMO.
I can't even
those who are professionals, no, now say you are not part of it. It's a good time to reach out to me so we can meet and talk about it. Because what WAFT will be doing, among other things, they say, once a new baby, where far a man in Kolahu, to say malaria, I don't know who may child mortality rate, and what say, or baby, I call now, or 3 months, and Hannah Colano at tender age, no more immunity. Nyoma baby, when we come together as women filmmakers, can do it. You bet me. Akofa agencies for any grants near the na yet me abua or minor with this kind of messages that ebeboa and kolano ne amami phone.
Why you need now?
Adom.
Why do you need come on?
Kasi.
The kono na me amepe mo atem na honestly. Tanu me ho.
Oh, pension anya yasa.
But anya yasa ba ya. Me da wase. So about McBrown's kitchen. I mean, shop.
To me, that's
Gary photo. What about you? Different way. I mean, shop.
That's it.
About Frida. Me so me da wase. So about McBrown's kitchen. Me the Borges olive oil. Da wase. So about McBrown's kitchen. What it? Mama hand sanitizer. Na dey fe wo mu nie. Chancey free Royal Kitchen well official Ghana.
Wow.
And a high sense of iron. Hey, Tinyamana, your dear.
Thank you so much.
Namishrao. Oka Simicha, Uncle Anina, the Chow Cruises all bow for Mammy, another fiamba near the sanitizer, the overturn when you. I hear so said about where home buying. And until so many more
restaurant hunting.
Sound.
Million hour was I got to be to Adon.
Madam one for Madam. Where was there for McBrown's kitchen here? I had never met quite a day and let you media no a baby ye. Made us a pass on yamre, now share him. Sana made up waffles, a high sense, tasty Tom, awake purified drinking water, launcher kitchen. Royal Kitchen well official Ghana, Borges olive oil, Royal aroma rice, Maggie delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti. Madam once. Me dear Nanyano was yes, me home. Beauty bowl and a yemi tea, Allegina and makeup. Sana chic, a year day, a pamata, dear mammy. Unyami won't shrine, a beshan out your sene. Ya cram, we come by a unza. Bye bye!
McBrown's Kitchen, Edjeani Peto. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us so. McBrown's Kitchen, Edjeani Peto. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us so. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know. Yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen, Edjeani Peto. McBrown's Kitchen.